Hi, I'm Menaka Singri and I'm an interior designer by profession. How to make the room look more wider and spacious. One of the biggest furniture in the bedroom would be wardrobes. So we can have a lot of options for the wardrobe, like openable doors with mirror, glasses, and the other best option would be going with sliding doors. Sliding doors, again, we can go with floor to ceiling because that makes the wardrobe look much more sleeker and it beautifies the wardrobe actually. So we go with mirrors on the front. We have glass. We have different varieties of glasses, of course, different options. We have, lacquered glasses. You can choose for lighter colors so that, it is not too obvious, since the darker colors make it look a little, smaller. We go with fine designs and minimalistic designs so that it does not look more cluttery.